Hello everyone, welcome to this session. This is Asal Prajapati. Today we will discuss about dipole. Electric dipole. Electric dipole is is vector quantity and made up of two equal and opposite charges minus q and plus q, and the shortest distance between them is 12. That is, this is a system made up of two equal and opposite charges and placed at a shortest distance between them. Electric dipole moment this is product of any one charge. This is product of any one charge and shortest distance between them. This can be written as this is product of any one charge of both charge and shortest distance between them. This is represented by P, that is electric dipole moment. P is equal to Q into 2L. Any one charge, we take positive charge, we can take negative charge. P is equal to 2QL and its unit is, the unit of charge is coulomb and unit of length distance is meter, that is coulomb meter, and dimension formula is the dimension formula of charge is 80 and dimension formula of distance is L. This becomes LTA, that is lata, and this is vector quantity. And its direction is from negative to positive. Its direction is from negative to positive. For example, HCl, this is plus charge, this is minus charge, this is electric dipole. Let's repeat this. Electric dipole, this is a system which is made up of two equal and opposite charges are placed at a shortest distance between them, and electric dipole moment is the product of any one charge of both and shortest distance between them. P is equal to Q into 2L. The unit is coulomb meter. Dimension formula is 80. The dimension formula of charge is 80, and dimension formula of distance is that length is L. So this becomes LTA, and this is vector quantity, and its direction is from negative to positive. For example, SCL. Let's discuss some important points. Electric field due to electric dipole. Here we discuss electric field at two positions. First is axial position, OR point, and second is equatorial position. Here we get the expression E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2p upon r cube, and here we get the expression E is equal to here E axial EA and E equatorial EE. Here we get the expression 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught and p upon r cube. Let discuss the expression. At axial point or our position, let us consider the electric dipole is made up of two equal and opposite charges. The shortest distance between them is 2L. Let this is AB. And let the midpoint of the electric dipole is O. That is, the distance between AO is L, and the distance between OB is also L. Let P be a point at axial point where we discuss the electric field intensity. The electric field intensity due to positive charge is E1, and its direction is BP. This is outward direction, and the electric dipole and the electric field intensity due to negative charge is E2, and E2 this is PA, this is BP. Positive charge, this is BP. Negative charge, this is PA. So let the distance between O and P is R. Thus the distance between BP is, this distance is R, this distance is L, then BP, this distance becomes R minus L, and this distance becomes R plus L. This distance becomes R plus L, and this distance becomes R minus L. So electric field intensity due to plus q charge at point P this is E1 equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught and K Q upon R minus L square, and its direction is BP. Electric field intensity due to negative charge at points P E2 E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into K and Q upon R plus L. The distance between A and P is R plus L, and this is negative sign. So thus the resultant electric field intensity at point P E is equal to E1 plus E2. E is equal to, let's, and this direction is PA. Put the value of E1 and E2 in this equation. We get, this can be written as equation first, this can be written as equation second. Put the value of E1 and E2. E1 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into K Q upon R minus L का whole square and plus E2's values is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into K minus Q upon R plus L का whole square. E is equal to, plus minus becomes minus, and the common is Q 4 and 4 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into K R minus L का whole square, and here is 1 upon R plus L whole square. Here we find E equals Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught into K. Let's multiply R1 plus L, वंजा, इसका वंजा कर लीजिए, माइनस R1 माइनस L होल स्क्वायर और अपान R1 माइनस L होल स्क्वायर इंटू R प्लस L होल स्क्वायर इक्वल्स Q अपॉन 4 pi epsilon naught into K. Open the whole square, R square L square plus 2RL minus R square plus L square, here negative, then 2RL, and this is R minus L into R plus L. This becomes R square minus L square whole square equals Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught into K. Open the bracket, R square L square plus 2RL minus R square minus L square Negative becomes positive. 2RL upon R square L square whole square. This negative positive cut, this negative positive cancel out. 2RL becomes 4RL equals Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught into K. This becomes 4RL upon R square L square whole square. Since R is greater than L, neglecting L square in comparison with R square, we get E equals Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught into K, 4RL upon R square whole square. Here neglecting L square. E equals, here R square whole square, this is becomes R power 4, this is cancel out, and here we get R cube. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, this cube and 4RL is, this can be written as 2 into Q into 2L upon R cube. This is electric dipole moment. Since electric dipole moment P is equal to Q into 2L, the product of any two charge of both and certain distance between them. This is electric dipole moment. E equals 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into K and 2P upon R cube. For ER vacuum, for air or R vacuum, K equals 1, then we get E equals 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2P upon R cube. This is required expression. This is required relation. This is required relation. Thank you everyone.